Hey guys, this is Kiki, owner of Selfcareapparel, and we're back with another video. Today is Vlogmas 6. I was late today. Late coming to work. And I want to tell y'all, because I have a series going on, what I talk about on our road to leaving our 9-to-5 job. I know today this Vlogmas is not going to be in here. It's going to be in at home. So I think we're putting up the tree today. Hi guys, I'm Kiki, owner of Selfcareapparel, and we're back, y'all. I know I did a video at my job leading to y'all saying this is not going to happen at my job, it's going to happen at home. So let's get into today's video. This is day 6 of Vlogmas 6, y'all. In the beginning, y'all know I had rough days where both videos was not done on each day, had to be chimed together. So now we're gonna do it right, okay? Let's go put up our Christmas tree, because I know that's what I said what's gonna happen in this video. It's our Christmas tree. All right. Who's in my iPhone? Do I need to read anything? I said approximate setup time is 5 minutes. So we have some instructions. So there is some screwing. Get my little table in there and put that chicken in the tree on top of it. Alright, let's see. Some of the tree from the bottom. I wonder if they do this first. Oh yeah.
Where were you last Thursday night?
It's on backwards. The tree is on backwards. Can't even get it. Oh yeah, I'll be back when I get the tree up. I got the tree up. Fluffing the tree is what it's called. You're fluffing it.
They just being there with their mama there. You got your stomach. Go to bed.
Can't wait for the candy canes to come on here.
Are you okay? That's taken inward.
Alright, let's put all the instructions back in here. So I'm gonna buy the decorations for this tree.
It has light.
It's right there halfway in the kitchen, baby.
Huddle.
Me too. Alright guys, that's another video. If you like more videos, please, because I kind of scrapping a bit. Another video. Bye.